Hi everyone, I'm Madonna Guy and this is the Natural Alternative. Welcome. I wanted to chat a little bit today about autoimmunity because I have so many clients coming into my clinic. I've been a naturopath kinesiologist for over 30 years, and I have people come in with an entire raft of supplements they've been given by their functional medicine doctors and their practitioners. Now, that is all awesome, but what it doesn't get to at the bottom of the problem, the last thing you need to do with someone whose gut and immune system and mitochondria is overwhelmed is add more nutrition that their body has to metabolize. So, autoimmunity for me, given my decades of experience, is about making it really simple and getting to some of the underlying causes. And I've got four major things that I'd like to chat about today and how they work. So the first thing is autoimmunity isn't your body attacking you. It's your body that's overwhelmed, it's inflamed, and it's trying to protect you. When we start looking at the underlying real drivers, the immune system calms down and the body can finally heal. Now, I know many people have been told that that isn't the case, but it is the case. It's all about finding the correct combination that works for you, finding the doses that work for you. But when you're looking at the underlying symptomatology, it's all about inflammation. So I've been working for 30 years with detox, gut repair, chronic inflammation, and I've found that autoimmunity always comes back to the same root causes: toxic load, leaky gut, mitochondrial stress, chronic inflammation, and nutrient depletion. When these stack up, the immune system becomes confused and reactive. So sometimes adding more supplements on top of that is just challenging to our clients. So when I support someone with autoimmunity, I always start with four foundational tools or a combination of them, depending on the budget, that address the root causes, not the symptoms. So the first thing I look at is detoxification. And one of my favorite things is the masterpiece zeolites. Now, this one has been labeled here in Australia, the Brocon. So basically here in Australia, you can get both Brocon and I don't think we even talk about this one today. Oh, yes, we do. So the Brocon Sulforaphane as well as the Brocon Masterpiece Zeolite from the same supplier, which is awesome. He does a great special. So basically with the zeolites, what it does is pulls out the worst heavy metals first. So it pulls out heavy metals like lead, mercury, cadmium, aluminium, glyphosate, mold toxins, electromagnetic frequencies, and environmental chemicals. There's so much it helps. So when the toxic bucket starts to empty, the immune system stops panicking and inflammation can drop. Now, depending on our toxic load, we can need anything from 3 drops twice a day to 10 drops 4 times a day. So it depends on what has been going on in our life and when we start seeing a shift in symptoms. My second thing that I do love is the Brocon. Now, from a naturopathic perspective, there's all sorts of supplements that claim to have sulforaphane, but a lot of that sulforaphane activity lessens when it's in a powder form, when it's in a capsule form. So the way that Jay has developed this, so he's the guy who's developed this product over the last 10 years, it maintains more than 90% of the active molecules in there. So this doesn't happen across the board with things that claim to have sulforaphane in them. So the thing I love about sulforaphane is that it switches on over 1,000 genes in the body that are anti-inflammatory, they're anti-tumor, they're pro-detox. So especially with people who have the MTHFR gene and genetic mutations that they struggle with, this can help to boost glutathione, it supports your liver detox, and it calms the inflammatory fire that drives autoimmune condition symptoms. And obviously the new kid on the block is the Tri GLP. Now, you've probably seen my videos about this in the last few weeks if you've been watching. So the thing I love about the Tri GLP is that it works from the gut. Now, we know that a lot of immune system stuff and autoimmunity, more than 80% of our immunity is in the gut. So if we can calm the fire in the gut as well, that is massive. So the GLP-1 calms inflammation, stabilizes blood sugar. GLP-2 repairs the gut lining, which is crucial because leaky gut is one of the biggest triggers of autoimmunity. And GIP supports metabolic balance, fat mass regulation, and muscle preservation. So amazing combo. So together these peptides, so there's 3 little peptides in there, GLP-1, GLP-2, and GIP, which naturally increase over 500 other peptides and enzyme pathways in the body naturally, because we're increasing our own natural incretin signaling in the gut. So together, these peptides help the body absorb nutrition again, reduce immune confusion, and rebuild the gut immune axis. And then last but not least, I love my ASEA. Now, this has been for any of my clients who come in with cancer or heart issues. This will always be part of the equation if they can. So the reason I love about this is that it restores cellular signaling. So basically, ASEA is nature identical redox signaling molecules. So 3 guys got Nobel Prizes for even discovering these signaling molecules back in 1998. And then the guy who developed this, he spent years trying to work out how to create nature identical redox signaling molecules that we can ingest, so we absorb it and then we detox it. So basically, when you start to detox and remove toxins, you switch on repair, you're restoring cellular communication, and you're healing the gut, the immune system finally gets to stand down. That's when people start feeling like themselves again. So they're my 4 favorites when it comes to autoimmunity. It depends on where you want to start. If someone is totally exhausted and tired, then I would probably maybe start with the ASEA to get some of that mitochondrial energy going. If someone feels toxic and inflamed and just feels heavy, then I would probably think about, and if you've had a toxic load, that little combination is amazing for removing toxins, switching on detox pathways in the body. If you're someone who wants to shift a little weight, the visceral fat, your hormones are out of balance, that you've been struggling with weight metabolism, thyroid issues, adrenal issues, immune system stuff, then the TriGLP may be the place to get started. But there's a funny thing that happens in natural therapies is that when we start taking a good dose of anything that is at the core base issue, so just say someone just started taking a lot, say 240 mils of the ASEA a day, that is a dose that also switches on dozens of genes and increases genetic pathways. I've seen magic with this when it comes to heart challenges and energy challenges and people not being able to get out of bed. When it comes to people who have been struggling with autoimmune and just not being able to get a balance, once we start switching on, over the 1,000 genes that sulforaphane pathway, the way it helps with the liver, the kidneys, the immune system, the anti-inflammatory pathway is quite amazing. But what if you don't pull out the heavy metals? The heavy metals are still in the body. If you lose weight and you haven't removed toxins, you can be in a dangerous place. There was a study done on chronic obesity, so people who were 300 kilos and heavier, and they looked at a 5-year mortality study. The people who lost weight over that 5 years and did not detoxify simultaneously had the same mortality level as those who didn't lose weight. So there are a couple of my favorites. I'll have some links below. Send me a message if there's a particular thing you'd like me to do a video on. Take care. Love you all. Have a great day. Bye.